Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to WizKids, where you get to meet bright students with bright smiles on their faces. And today we have a very bright student from Jaipur who studies in class 10th at Sophia. Her name is Samia Khan. Samia, welcome to Underpublish.
Thank you, sir, for honoring me.
So first of all, happy Eid to you, Eid Miladun Nabi.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
So since it's the festive season, so let's begin there. How are your studies going on? Because in normal circumstances in Jaipur, all the festivities going on, you'd sort of take a break from studies. But your schools were closed. Now they are open. Your exams are near, I suppose. So tell us what's the atmosphere like?
Sir, actually, I don't take, a headache for studies.
Okay.
I just study. I don't make a, fixed time. Like at 2:15, I have to do this, and at this time I have to do this. There is not a particular time for that. I study very, with an open mind, with a free mind, whenever I want. But the thing is that I make everyday goals, and that I have to complete somehow. I
Okay.
enjoy my day. I do everything without taking any burden. Like study is not a burden for me.
Mm-hmm. So how did you manage during the pandemic?
There is nothing new, sir. As we all know that our timetable, our lifestyle has drastically changed during the pandemic. Like at the school time, we were so disciplined. Like everything was done on time. But now we are, going very easy going, and
Yeah.
sometimes it is, common for us to, just ignore all our work.
Right.
But there are, if you are, you are clear with your goals,
Right.
then there is no obstacle which can
Right.
mind
Absolutely
you.
correct. Absolutely correct. See, I speak with a lot of kids and I speak about, the importance of work. But there's this, thing called duty. You have a duty towards yourself, your family, the society that you live in. So what kind of activities do you undertake and how did you, follow those activities during the pandemic? Tell us about that.
Like nothing much I've done during the pandemic, because now from the starting of the pandemic, we were, forced to, live inside our home,
Yeah.
confined to our home.
Mm-hmm.
So at that time, from that time, I just remember Ramzan was there. Ramzan was going on, and I just all my family from abroad also came to my house. As we all know, during the pandemic, many people lost their jobs. So many of my family members live in abroad. So two of my uncle also came, but they are really good cookers. I suggested them to open a shop, sweet shop, and just we have loved cooking, and this was a good time pass.
So you learned
Rather
cooking?
than it was a more enjoying time for us.
So you learned yourself cooking?
Sir, I am a master.
Oh, you're a master chef.
They learn from me actually.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. See, I told you that we have such whiz kids that they are teaching people at such a young age. And you've written somewhere in your bio as well that you like to teach people. So what did you mean by teaching?
Sir, I actually like to make people happy. I just love when people are happy because of me.
Yeah.
I like to be helpful for people in any way I can do. In any way I can do it if possible.
Right.
Whether it is in studies or, fighting for friends. And yeah, I can help anyone, like
Anyone.
in the way, irrespective of the person, whether he's strange or he's known to me.
Okay. So you have that infectious energy and that you want to, spread that energy where people are not very, worked up about their work life or study life. As you said that you're not very, particularly hard pressed on your studies. And so that's wonderful.
No, I try to cover all my, goals, daily goals. Even
Daily
if
goals.
it is a two in the night or 3 in the night, I don't care. But I don't take burden on my studies. आपको मजे करने करो, but अपने goals को भी पूरे करो.
That's wonderful. So Samir, tell us about your, we'll come to your school later. Tell us about your family first. About your
Uh,
parents, siblings?
my family is a joint family, and as you know,
How
joint
many people
family
are there?
living in a joint family is a
Blessing?
living in a war field.
Yeah,
Like
it's good.
someone is shouting from there. Even for this interview, I am sitting on my terrace room,
Okay,
like
wonderful.
for a piece of 2 minutes of silence.
Right, right, right.
And I have many siblings,
Mm-hmm.
and my parents. My mother is a housewife, and my father is a dentist.
Mm-hmm. Dentist.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So, how what kind of support do you get from them when it comes to your studies or whatever you like to do?
About my parents,
Yeah. Do they support
um,
you wholeheartedly?
there is no one I trust except my
More than them?
parents.
Correct. Yeah, that's the way it should be. That's great. So you also,
And my teachers also, and my teachers.
teachers. So any teacher in particular that you like? I mean, you must like all of them, but anyone who is your favorite?
Sir, every teacher in some other way has helped me evolve, like in any field, like whether it is studies or rather it is values.
Yeah.
I still remember Ma'am Anu, Ma'am
Mhm.
Gurpreet, and like many ma'am. Like sorry, अगर मैं यहाँ पे नाम ना लूँ.
It's okay. It's okay.
But
Yeah.
there are many ma'am I just remember, and they have helped me evolve in every not even studies, but every where I can be a good person in life.
Right. Do your friends agree that you're a good person, or you're just saying yourself? Your friends must be agreeing with you, right?
Of course, करना
I was just
पड़ेगा.
kidding. I was kidding, of course. So you are also, fond of hard work, which is a very, weird thing to write in a bio, but I like it. You say that hard work is exercise physically as well as mentally. So tell us, I mean, what did you mean by hard work?
Sir, this is my personal opinion. Sir, I see people going to gym,
Mhm.
joining gym.
Mhm.
This is, I think, something like if they help at home, if they do more work at home
Mhm.
rather than going to gym, that would be more physical work and save their time as well,
Correct.
and do their work as well.
Correct. And there will
So
be
this is,
equality as well between men and women. Women don't have to do all the
yes,
work.
sir.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir. And there will be, peace in the house as well.
Wonderful. So, speaking of other activities, you're a NCC cadet as well. You are certified NCC cadet, which you received recently. Talk about that experience, because you must not have, gotten that, let's say, field experience of NCC because of this COVID, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
talk about
Sir,
what did you learn
actually,
online?
I joined NCC in 8th class, and after that, in from 9th class onwards, COVID pandemic occurred, and because of which we were not given the practical experience which we
Correct.
were supposed to,
Yeah.
like the camp, which was for which I was more excited more,
Yeah, of
for
course.
which I actually joined NCC. Like this was the one of my reasons. I was very excited for that.
Yeah.
But because of the pandemic, we were not given such an experience, and
Right.
which was not possible actually.
Correct.
So only the parade I remembered.
Okay.
One parade and one ATP camp which
Right.
we attended,
Okay.
in which we were taught to how to shoot.
Shoot.
Like firing, we were taught.
So you shot fires. You fired shots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
But still, we need practice. We are not perfect. We are immature.
No, of course. You'll enjoy more once the camp life, is back in your NCC
Now we
activities.
will join it in college. We are supposed to join it in the college.
Correct. So speaking of, college and your future, what do you think is there for you in the future? What do you want to become? What are you looking forward to?
Sir, actually, I have taken 2 plans in my life.
Okay.
Like in first plan is that I want to opt for UPSC.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
Like during my graduation, I start for UPSC.
Okay.
And then Then I'll go for a lecturer. I'll
Oh.
become a lecturer in government college.
That's wonderful.
Like this would
Both
this
are.
would make a permanent.
So you want to have your
stability in
own
my
career.
life.
You want to have your own career. You don't want to be, just going with the flow. That's good. That's great. And Samia, you recently, became our ambassador, Wonderslate ambassador. So you participated in this training program called, Smart Tools to Ace Your Learning. So talk about your experience, of that program.
I thank Ambika first, who just gave me this news, and then thank you and ma'am for giving me such an opportunity to be in a part of this Wonderslate family and to help me, complete my hobby, to actually practice my hobby of teaching people through
Teaching
your
people,
app.
yes. Correct.
Yes.
That's wonderful, Samya. We hope you continue to, smile like this and achieve your targets, daily targets, as well as, your future, whatever you're set for yourself. And if there is anything else that you want to say, you speak about, now's the time to do that.
Thank you, sir, for giving me such an opportunity. For giving me such an opportunity,
Right.
and for giving me your time, for giving me such an importance to be in your interview.
Right. Okay. Don't worry. We can see activity happening behind you. It happens when you're, working from home or you're studying from home. So that's fine. Okay. So thank you so much, Samya, for your time. And yes, you're here. So thank you for your time. And we hope you do well in your exams, which are coming in November.
Thank you, sir, for your blessings, for your
Okay.
wishes.